everyone, today I'm making cheese, white cheese. I have here 4 liters of milk. I'm waiting for it to until it's boiling, okay? And I want to add a cup of white vinegar. I want to add 3 tablespoons of pink salt. I did wait until it's bubbling like that. Now I'm adding the vinegar to it. And I want to turn off the heat. And I'm adding the salt. And I want to give it a little bit. See? Start to breaking down. This is what I want. Alright. Very good. And I have here this black, it's like a cheesecloth, but I like it because it's there is no big hole to it, okay? I want to empty the milk on here. So, see the color, the water? Actually, I don't throw out this water. I might use it to keep the cheese fresh, but keep it to the end. Now I want to squeeze it very hard to drain all the liquid from it. So I put it like that, and I try to squeeze all the water. Just like you can use anything you have. I want to try to put something heavy later on it to drain it more. See now, I want to try to put it here, and when I put it, I have to squeeze down to it. Squeeze down. See, this is the salt. You can see a little bit pinkish. It's the salt. Okay, let me finish everything and then I'll show you. So now I put it upside down. I'm taking the second one. I'm gonna put it on the top of the first one and squeeze a little bit down. See, I don't know if you can see, there is some water coming out. Put it again on top of the other one and squeeze down. So 4 liters, it give me those 3 and one bigger than the other one. This one I think is double. I will say it will last for a long time. So I want to keep it like that for about an hour or so, and then I decide to put something heavy. Anything you have heavy, you can put it on the top of that one. Here I have the one for grape leaves. I want to put it on the top of it, okay, to give it more pressure. I will leave it, see, it's like that, more pressure to it. I want to see the water come, more water come, okay? And then I will keep it for an hour and then into the fridge. Okay, so I transfer it into a plate now, and I want to push hard, like I put it in a plate like that, and I push down, and then put it upside down in your hand and squeeze down. See, there is more liquid. And then back to the plate, and I keep it like that. Okay, so I finished the cheese now. It's time for me to show you. So I got 4 blocks of cheese from 4 liters of milk. So this size. So what I did, I put each one in plastic things. And you can serve it with cucumber, with anything you want. So let me try it, as usual, as I do every time. This is my bread and this is the cheese. This is the cheese. Good cheese. So please don't forget to subscribe my videos and put like. Give you more and more ideas. Bye. Love you all.